Cabinet Minister for Lyngdoh today said that law and order in the state is satisfactory. The statement came from Lyngdoh following Monday's violence in Shillong, when police had to resort to tear gas and lathi charge to disperse the Hitu members. Lyngdoh pointed out that there will always be isolated incidents in the state. Meanwhile, Lyngdoh today hinted that one election, one poll may not be a good idea for a country as diverse as India. He said the diversity of the country needs to be respected.
Satisfactory. Overall, we have had not many major disruptions, but of course, there will always be isolated incidents. I would only urge upon all concerned to always feel free that if you have any grievances, come to the negotiating table. That will help resolve a lot of issues. I do feel that in the context of a very diverse country like India, for instance, a country that is so diverse that in fact we need more than one time zone. So how can you talk in terms of one nation, one election?
Leaders of the Khasi Students' Union